My name is Jack James Dawson. I'm the director of Apple, Associate for Practical Life Education. I'm in Keta now, working on the fort behind me as a tourist attraction. This fort was built in 1784 and it has not been renovated since then. But when I became a hero in 2017 from MTN, French Embassy gave me a small contract to put that place into an exhibition and a tourist center for an attraction by the community. And my project here has only three folds. First of all is to renovate the place into an exhibition site. The second one is also to get artifacts from the community. Things that are over 100 years old that have something to do better with the fort. These are the things that we need to use as an exhibition on the fort. And thirdly, we will have to organize a program that is a website that will bring the whole world to Keta to come and witness this fort as a tourist attraction and as a United Nations or UNESCO tourist site. And we are here to get the place in order and then refurbish the place. Thank you very much. This is Jack Dawson speaking from Keta, Volta region.